Hi guys, it's 24 Ninja here. So last year, Huawei's P20 Pro shot to the top of the market in terms of best smartphones in the world, thanks to its brilliant triple camera setup and overall premium outlook. It has since been joined by none other than the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and we are noticing a trend here. We also suspect that Huawei might produce the top flagship 3 times in a row with the upcoming P30 Pro. Provided that Samsung Galaxy S10 doesn't blow it up completely out of the water, of course, it might do well, but Huawei is not going to be laying down the crown without a fight. Here's everything we know so far about the Huawei P30 Pro and the standard P30 so far. We have seen the different leaks and speculative renders of the P30 Pro, and they suggest that Huawei is focused on pushing more camera power, which means visibility hardware on the back. The leak suggests that P30 Pro will have 4 cameras on the back, all vertically arranged in the model like we saw on the P20 Pro. The render also shows a pretty sizable flash node alongside a lengthy camera setup. As for its face, renders of the base of the P30 device depict a pretty standard Mate 20 look-alike teardrop touch notch with a small chin at the bottom. Contrary to the P20, it doesn't seem to have a fingerprint sensor on the front or the back. You know what that means, as in display fingerprint sensor, that's in display fingerprint sensor, like the one the Mate 20 Pro is fitted with. Leaks can tell us many things, but at this stage we are not really sure what display Huawei will fit on the P30 Pro. Will they go for the 180p or the Quad HD resolution? Only time will tell. So the P20 Pro is fitted with a 180p display, which is fine, and the Mate 20 Pro improved on it with a stunning Quad HD display. The P20 Pro again was 6.1 inch, and the Mate 20 Pro was a bit bigger at 6.39 inch. The taller aspect ratio on the Mate 20 Pro meant that it didn't feel too big in hand, though some leaks suggest that a standard screen size of 6 inches for the base of the P30, which isn't far from the 5.8 inches in size of the P20. Then when it comes to camera sensor, as mentioned earlier, the leak renders suggest that 4 back camera on the P30 Pro will likely see 3 on the back of the standard P30. In November 2018, Huawei European head Walter G told Android Pete, "Now we have 3, imagine 4 for next year." That's a pretty clear indication that we might see 4 sensors on the back of the P30 Pro. He also suggests that 10x optical zoom could be coming soon, which might explain the purpose of the 4th camera. Well, for now, that's all we have, and we will make sure to bring you more. Stay tuned.